Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm working on a 2013 Chevy Equinox with the P0011 code, which is a intake position solenoid valve performance. This is a very easy fix, and I'm going to be showing you how to fix this in this video, so let's get to it. Okay, here's my Chevy Equinox. First thing we're going to do is get to these solenoid valves. We're going to loosen this air intake cleaner, air intake. There's a clamp down there and a clamp up here. Those two clamps off and that'll come right off. Next, we're going to take our oil cap off and we're going to pull this shield off right here. So once we pull this shield off, here is my solenoid valves right here. Here's the intake, here's the exhaust. Intake, exhaust. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these little tabs up right here, unplug, lift this clip up, blow this out right here. Okay, the reason I blew it out so I get to those 10mm bolts. I recommend if you're going to do one, go ahead and do the other one. So let's get those 10mm bolts out and we'll pull one out at a time. Okay, now I got the bolts out. Get my pair of pliers in here. I'm going to turn it a little bit and I'm going to pry up so it'll feed itself out of here. Here's my culprit right here. What we're looking for is any metal on there. If there's any metal, you probably got internal problems and you're going to need your motor checked out. But we're going to replace this one. The intake is always gray and the exhaust will be black. Okay, here's our new ones. They came with new bolts also. So we're going to go ahead and install these guys. Just kind of wiggle it in. It will be a tight fit. Try not to let anything go down in these holes right here. There's the exhaust. Here's the intake. And we're going to tighten those two 10mm bolts back in, plug it back in. We're also going to make sure that our oil is topped off. And that is as hard as it gets with this P0011 code. It'll also fix a P0010 code. So I hope you like this video. Boop that like button, subscribe down below. Until next time, have a great day.